Hi, I'm Emily Taylor from Collage Quilter. I think it's important to answer the number one question. What is a collage quilt? So a collage quilt is a quilt that is made with multiple pieces of fabric that are overlapping one another to create the design. So you can see behind me, I've got examples of some of my collage quilts. Traditionally, they are hung on a wall because they're more in the art quilt category. However, I'm kind of pushing the boundaries of what defines a collage quilt. I now am kind of working on doing some block quilts that I can incorporate collage into. For example, one of my favorite quilts is this one called Wee Green Beasties. I love this quilt, and I would still call this a collage quilt because even though it is pieced like a traditional quilt, it also has in each block a little bit of collage. And the collage, again, is its raw edge pieces that have been adhered to one another and the background, and they all overlap to create this little design. So you can see the frog and the cricket, and there are some beetles. So that to me is the answer to what a collage quilt is. Again, pieces of fabric that are overlapping. They are adhered to one another either with glue or double-sided fusible web, and they're applied to a foundation, whether it's a background design or a foundation panel, and then it's stitched through and quilted. And that is what defines a collage quilt for me. So if you would like more information about making a collage quilt and learning about my techniques, I have a handy book called Collage Quilter, Essentials for Success with Collage Quilts. You can find this on my website, which is collagequilter.com. And in this, I think it will answer all of your questions about how I make collage quilts and how I apply color theory to fabric selection, all that fun stuff. And also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can see a video tutorial or a live video with me every Monday at 11 o'clock Mountain Time in my studio. So I hope that you will subscribe and check it out if you're interested in learning more. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.